Are you in agreement with that amount?
No, I can't afford it.
Okay. Number 37.
37. Williams and Williams. Mr. Nathan, Miss Amy, please unmute and start your videos. All right, I see Miss Williams. Mr. Nathan Williams, please unmute, sir, and start your video.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, thank you. 37 on the docket, calls 1422030, confirmation mod filed by the state January the 16th, 2024. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yeah.
You both can put your hands down. And sir, please state your first and last name for the record.
Nathan Williams.
And ma'am, your first and last name?
Amy Williams.
Counsel for the state.
Gabriel Artiaga with the Office of Attorney General.
Okay, is this an agreement, hearing, partial agreement?
I'm going to treat it as a hearing.
Okay,
Fully
and
contested.
how much time are you requesting?
10 minutes.
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. My proposed order, and this is going to be a little different from what y'all might have calculated in the breakout room, but my proposed order is going to be child support arrears after release in the amount of $84,461.26. $84,461.26 as of April 22nd, 2024, with a payout of $473 per month starting May 1st. Child support of $481 per month starting May 1st, 2024. Medical support $128 per month starting May 1st, 2024. The custodial parent to apply for a government insurance plan, and court costs assessed to the non-custodial parent 60 days from today's date. That is the extent of the state's proposed order, and I'll call Miss Williams first. So, ma'am, did you hear the state's my proposed order just now?
What were the amounts again?
So let's go step by step. My records show that as of April 22nd, as of yesterday, he owes $92,461.26. That's before any credit is given. Do you agree that that number would be correct?
Before any credit given, yes.
Okay. And has he made direct payments to you since the last time we were here?
Yes, it's been a while, but yes.
So my calculated number, the $84,461.26, that gave $8,000 worth of credit. Are you in agreement with that amount?
Yes.
Okay, and you agree, so you agree with my judgment amount after the credit, right?
Yes.
And you agree that he should pay that off at $473 per month?
Yes.
I also recalculated the child support a little bit. Do you know how many other children he has under the age of 18?
2.
And how are the 2 children on this case covered for health insurance?
I pay cash out of pocket.
Do you have access to insurance through an employer?
Not at this time.
All right. Do you agree that he should pay child support of $481 per month starting May 1st?
I feel like that's a little high, but I feel like he needs to pay something, but that seems a little high based on the total for everything.
Well, I understand what you're saying. I'll move on. I'll move on. Do you agree that he should pay $128 per month for the medical support?
Yes.
Okay. If your address and phone number appear in the order, would that give you any safety concerns for yourself or the children?
Not at this time.
Now, the prior order, which was, I believe, a divorce decree in 2015, did not have a non-disclosure. Has there been any family violence between you and Mr. Williams since 2015?
Since 2015?
Since the prior order, yes.
No, not since the order was signed. No.
Okay. I'll pass the witness and call Mr. Williams. Sir, did you hear my proposed amount after giving credit for the 8,000?
Yes.
Are you in agreement in a judgment of child support, a judgment on the child support arrears of $84,461.26?
Yes.
You understand they gave you credit for $8,000 worth of direct payments to Ms. Williams, right?
Yes. Yes.
Do you agree to pay that off at $473 per month?
Young, I can't afford it. I can't even
So
afford my life right now.
I understand.
This is
You
gonna make me
understand that
homeless.
that 84,000 will accrue interest at about $422 per month. So the payout that we have to ask for on the arrears has to be more than 422. Is there an amount that you would propose to the court that you would prefer to pay other than 473 that the state is asking?
I can't afford it. I don't know what I'm gonna be homeless.
Okay.
I have 2 kids already. Anything will help me. That's $1,000 right now. And that's my
Okay.
rent.
Williams,
Okay.
he's asking you for a specific amount. That's the question. That's what I'm gonna be asking as well. Other than the 473 on the arrears, what specific amount are you requesting to pay it off monthly, knowing that interest is $422 a month on the interest? What specific amount?
Like half of that. Half of the 400. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Well, I'll make a ruling. Go ahead to the next question, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Are you currently employed, Mr. Williams?
Yes, sir.
And how much do you make per hour or salary, or
$16.50 an hour.
do you work 40 hours a week?
Yes.
So we calculated based on gross monthly income of 2,860. That's 1650 an hour and 40 hours a week. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And we also gave you credit for the 2 other children. Do you understand that? Your 2 other children besides the 2 on this case.
Okay.
The state's calculated guideline child support based on that information is that you would pay child support of $481 per month starting May 1st. Are you in agreement with that amount?
No, I can't afford it.
I understand. Do you have access to health or dental insurance?
It's I'm on a seasonal position. It's just a very light kind of a medical covered while I'm here. There's
Okay.
nothing. I can't do any family or nothing to be added.
Okay.
So you have
So
a temp job or a permanent job, sir?
It's a permanent job. It's just I'm in a seasonal position.
Okay,
Been here quite a while.
okay, go ahead, counsel.
Do you agree with the medical support of $128 per month?
Yes.
And if your address and phone number appear in the order, would that give you any safety concerns for yourself or the children?
No.
And just confirm, Ms. Williams said there hasn't been any sort of family violence between the 2 of you since the last order in 2015?
No.
Okay, I'll pass the witness.
Okay, before I make my ruling. So the state of Texas charges interest on any judgment. That's 6%. And when we do the math, interest a month on that judgment, after those credits, is $422 per month. If you pay less than $422 per month, that judgment is just going to get bigger and bigger. Also, child support is based on all your income, all your overtime, how many minor children you have before the court with Ms. Williams, giving you credit for the other 2 minor children that you have that are under the age of 18 or still in high school, giving you credit for the cost of the health insurance and union dues. That's all that I can look at. I can't look at the rent, mortgage, lights, water bill, cell bill. You help your mom with her bills. That's all that I can look at, okay? So with that being said, I am going to confirm that you owe $84,461.26. The monthly payout is $473 is the request, and I'm going to grant that beginning May 1st, 2024. Child support of $481 beginning May 1st based on Texas law. Medical $128 beginning May 1st. Court costs, I traditionally order that 60 days out to be paid by the respondent, Mr. Williams. I'll give you 6 months. Now, if either one of you disagree with my ruling, you can appeal my decision. You would have to file it yourself or hire your own private attorney. The AG's office does not represent you nor the mother. Unless a district court judge changes this order, this becomes the order of the court immediately, with or without your signature. You both will receive a copy of this order today via your emails, and you both are free to go. Have a good day. All right, now what's next, counsel?